Welcome to the video. We are going to remove all duplicate from a given string. In this question, we are given an input string and we have to return the resultant string after removing all the duplicate characters, which means we will every character will occur only once in this resultant string and not duplicate. Cool. So in example one, this was our example string geeks for geeks in a random order. So there are duplicate characters such as E, capital E, small e, K, and S. So we remove those characters, and this will be a resultant string. So there's no point of explaining a lot of examples because you understood this is pretty straightforward question. You are given an input string. You need to just return the non-duplicated version of that string. Each character should occur only once, whether they are small character or lowercase character. Cool. Let's implement it. Since it is marked an easy question, we'll solve it similarly in very easier format. First of all, I will create an empty string called result in order to store the result, get the result in a string without duplication of characters. Now, since the expected time complexity of this question is order of n, which is the length of a string, I will solve this question in that case only. So for I in string, okay, for first times, for all the characters which are there in this string, if the current character is not already visited, which means not in the resultant string, any character in the given string, if it is not in the resultant string, in that case, add this character to the resultant string. Add this character to the resultant string. At the end, you will just return it. So you can solve this question using set method or hash map, but order may get changed. You have to do extra step to maintain the order. That's why I do only simple step. And as you can see, it is able to do the job in pretty less time in very straightforward version. Okay. So I hope you learned this little concept and enjoyed it video. Thank you. Have a very nice day.